Hello my dear students, once again we are here in this platform to discuss another concentration term, and this term is also important equally that to that of molarity. It is molality small m. Earlier it was capital M or molarity. In my previous video lecture we already discussed about earlier concentration term, before concentration term, like mass percentage, then it was mole fraction, and recently we discussed on molarity. Right now we will talk about small m or molality. So as we did in earlier videos, we first of all we used to discuss about key points. So similarly we will do here, like first key points for molality is it is known as molal concentration. What is this? Molal, MOLAL, molal concentration. Its unit is nothing but mole per kg, and from its unit we can design its equation like small m equal to mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. It is little interesting, mass of solvent in kg. So its definition is number of mole of solute which is present in 1 kg of the solvent, not the solution. Students, not the solution. Here it is only one concentration term for which we will take solvent as the medium, not solution, because it is temperature independent. In next bullet ties symbol we will discuss. Next is solute to solvent means what? Some amount of solvent solute is dissolving in solvent, and the amount is taken in mole. So mole of solute dissolve in mass of solvent in kilogram, correct, as per unit and definition. So I was talking about it is temperature independent. Why? Because mass do not change with temperature change. Mass never change when temperature change take place. So therefore this is the only term. Molality is only term which do not depends on temperature, correct. Then it was next mass percentage, it's also do not depends. Then mole fraction do not depends. Only one term was there, that was molarity, because for molarity we took volume, and volume change with change in temperature. So only molarity changes with temperature change, but another concentration term do not change when temperature change takes place. Remember this one, correct. Now example 1 we will discuss first, not 2. Find molality of solution in which 5.85 gram sodium chloride dissolved in 500 gram water. What is this? Some amount of sodium chloride, that is NaCl, 5.85 gram NaCl dissolved in 500 gram water. What is water? Water is solvent, and so sodium chloride is what? It is solute, correct. Solute is lesser amount, and solvent for it is larger or greater amount, correct. So from the equation of small m, that is molality, mole of NaCl or mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. Same thing with little change we discussed on that term, it was molarity. So small m equal to, further I will go for postmortem of mole, and mole will be further mass of NaCl divided by molar mass of NaCl, and the whole divided by mass of solvent in gram divided by 1000. Same thing we did in molarity, right? 1 kg 1000 gram, therefore 1 gram equal to 1 upon 1000 kg, because I have to report my answer in kg, therefore I have to divide this by 1000, correct. So capital small m, again I can rearrange this equation, mass of NaCl divided by molar mass of NaCl multiply by 1000 and mass of solvent in gram. So mass of NaCl, how much mass of NaCl is there? It is 5.85. It is nothing but mass of solute. Next it is molar mass of NaCl. Check, 23 for sodium and 35.5 for chlorine. Next 1000, and what is mass of solvent in gram? It is given in the question. It is how much? It is 500 gram. So when we will solve this, we will get 0.2 mole per kg. It is 0.1, it is 2. So 0.1 multiplied by 2, it is 0.2. So what is this? What is this? This is the mole per kg, that is 0.2. What is this? Again it is molality. So molality of solution is how much? It is 0.2 mole per kg for this equation. Correct? Next question, see in example 2. When 100 gram of compound is dissolved in 250 gram benzene. Correct? 250 gram benzene. 100 gram means given mass, and 250 gram, that is also mass of solvent. See, benzene is solvent. To make 1 molar solution, calculate molar mass of that compound. Means in this question, compound is unknown, his mass is given, we have to calculate its molar mass. So same thing as we are doing, like small m equation, mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in gram. This is further divided by 1000. Again, because it is gram, so that I have to go for kilogram, and for this I will divide by 1000. Correct? So what is the amount of small m? It is this, 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution means molality of solution is 1. So next, 1 equal to mole of solute, mass of solvent in gram, it is 250 and 10 to the power minus 3. Correct? Because I had to report my answer in kilogram. Correct now? So 1 equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute, because further I have to use the mole concept. Now what is the mass of solute? It is 100 gram. What is molar mass of solute? I have to calculate. What is the mass of solvent in gram? It is 250 10 to the power minus 3, because I have to do here kilogram. Correct? Next, 1 equal to here 100 divided by molar mass of compound into 250 10 to the power minus 3. How it is? See, 1 upon 1000 is nothing but 1 upon 10 to the power 3 equal to 10 to the power minus 3. So that when we will use, so here it will be 250 into 10 to the power minus 3. Correct? Now 100 is mass of solute. Next, molar mass of solute or compound, and next is 250, and next multiply by 10 to the power minus 3. I think it is clear to you. See, same thing we did. Correct? Just we move this step upside. Now again, when we will shift this 10 to the power minus 3 to upside, it will be 100 into 10 to the power 3. Molar mass of compound we have to calculate, and further it is multiplied by 250. Correct now? It is very common and you can easily use. Now next, molar mass of compound I have to calculate. So this one will be shift here, and when you will solve it, you will get 400 gram per mole is the molar mass of that compound. Again I am repeating, as per the formula I have to convert this kilogram into gram. That's why this gram to kilogram, that's why I had to divide by 1000. Correct? So same thing as we did in earlier videos lecture. 250 is solvent mass in gram, mass of solute, molar mass of solute, molar mass of solute I have to calculate. So that by rearranging the equation I can calculate, and the molar mass of the compound will be 400 gram per mole. So students, it's very common, very easier, very interesting concept, and by practicing you can understand better, and I will provide some practice problem to you, so that some confidence you will get by solving that concept. Correct? So thank you. Thanks a lot.